Hi, Mr. Aslan, the landlord here on Friday, 3rd of July 2021, and the time is coming up to 17:25, 25 minutes past 5, and I'm about to taste my awesome potato-based pesto. I made this much in my vacuum blender jug, and I've already put it onto my tomatoes. So I'm about to give it the taste test, and I'm going to try one and let you know what it tastes like. Okay, here goes. It's nice, but it's a little too runny. In fact, when I made it earlier, I thought it was a bit too thick because the potato didn't seem mashed, so I added a little bit more soybean milk, and then that made it too runny, so I tried to thicken it by adding all the flax and hemp seeds. I had a little bit of sunflower and pumpkin seeds and some chia seeds, but it's still runny. And I should have put more garlic, not so much oomph. I can taste the coriander, but maybe I should put more herbs and garlic and see what it tastes like. Okay, so see you next time. Bye.